Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video of unboxing some in IPSY boxes which I got in my mail. From past few months I was not in the country, so I couldn't film any of the unboxing video of my IPSY subscription bags. And now that I'm back, I'm still trying and struggling to get my life back on track because I think 2 months of vacation was a long vacation, and it's really now at least I think I need another vacation to actually get my life back on track. So I will tell you guys like what's going on in my life and stuff like that. I'll have another separate chit chat video regarding that, but right now let's just unbox, because I have like a couple of IPSY bags which have been delivered to my doorstep and I couldn't get a chance to film them. The one is from the December one, and the other one I have is from the January one. So this one is actually opened by, this was sent to me in the month of December, and my husband actually opened it because he didn't know what the hell this bag is all about. So let me just open this and tell you guys what exactly I got in the month of December, and then we'll hop on to January bag, and then I'm going to be discussing with you what all I got in my January bag. So once I open, obviously the bag is very New Year vibey, and it has all these sparkly sequencing going on. I was never, you guys know it very well, that I was so excited about the bags and stuff, because these are, once they are open, these are, you know, a waste of time and money and material for me. But yes, the first thing I can see in here is something called the this is called facial radiance pads. It helps in exfoliating, tone, brightening, alcohol free, safe for sensitive skin. So these are like wipes, I believe. So I will open it later, but before that let me see what this card is about. It says be merry, be bright, be bold, and be you, with all those colors which I love. Then moving on, I got another nail paint, and you guys know the drill that I am a very bad person when it comes to nails. As you can see the situation right here, I have a really bad habit of biting my nails, so I mostly go for fake nails or acrylic nails, so that, you know, I'm not biting them and eating them, you know what I mean. So yeah, mostly these nail paints are of no use to me, but I can put it in my giveaway box, so for you guys. So yeah, let me see this. Not able to open it, I'm sorry, I have to tear this apart. I'm sorry if you are getting this. So this, if in case in my giveaway video, if you get this, I like the color, it's so beautiful. See, it's like a grayish shade. It's nice, beautiful. Let me put just a little bit on one of my thumb, and actually matching my shirt. It's nice, but you know, it's of no use for me, so it's gonna be in the giveaway for you guys. All right, moving on, the third thing I can see is Ciate London, and it's a glitter lip color. It's beautiful. I think because my husband, as I told you, opened it already, so I did check what's inside. So this is the color. It's nice, beautiful color. So yes, moving on, it's a liquid lipstick, I believe. Yeah, glitter flip. It has glitter inside. Yes, I forgot to tell you guys, it is just teeny tiny of a glitter, sparkly, so it's perfect for New Year's night. Stem cellular, and I got the cleanser in the bag. And last but not the least, actually I got 6 items last month. I didn't know that. Wow, what is this? This is something called eyeliner. It's an eyeliner. Okay, let me see. Oops, nice. It's brown. It's dark brown, and it's very soft and gentle and gliding. So hopefully, yeah, let me have it on my waterline. Actually not bad. You see that? Not bad at all. Like it. It's not bad. And this one is from the company Stowaway. I have never heard of this company, but if you guys know about it, let me know. So these are like 6 products I got in the month of December. Hopping on to the next bag, let's unbox this one because this has 4 kind of surprises because I don't know what is inside. I haven't opened it yet. I'm doing it for the first. Oh, we got a proper like booklet this time. You see that? Whoa, IPSY, come on, you're stealing the show, man. All right, what it says? It says New Year, more products, more focus on you. Be the first one to try the Glam Bag Plus, and it has like all bunch of products in here, and it has Glam Glow, Tarte, Yensa, Ensa, KG, AGK, I don't know what and what not. So yeah, let's hop on and let's dive into this bag. Oh, look at this. It's cute, isn't it? Let's open it. What is the first one which I can get? Okay, what is this? It's called polishing mask. It's from the brand Yensa. I just saw that brand name on one of the product on this booklet. Yensa. It's called pumpkin turmeric mask. So cool. Alrighty. So as you guys know, I mean, I'm not gonna do any more like try on kind of videos because it doesn't make sense. I think, oh, it's actually a scrub and I can feel those. See that? If you can hear the noise. So yeah, it's a scrub. It's cool, not bad. And these are really like all the IPSY, small packaging stuff were very helpful to travel with. And this time when I went to India, all I was carrying was just all these small face washes and creams and stuff. So it's really good in that way. If you are on a travel thing, if you're a traveler or something like that, then these are really good. And the next product, oh wow, I got it from Tarte, and it's called Amazonian Clay 24-hour full coverage foundation. Wow, amazing. I don't have any foundation from Tarte in my collection, so I'm really excited for this one because I really wanted to give my hands on the Tarte foundations because I love the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I love it to the core of my heart. So it's a good idea to give it. As you can see, it's a bit lighter. It was a really good idea for me to give a shot to the foundations as well, but I never got a chance. But now because I got this in my IPSY, I am so thankful. As you can see that the shade is a bit lighter, but maybe I can use it. And once when I was sliding and gliding on my skin, it was actually getting into the skin, and it felt more like a whipped texture, which most of the souffles have, if you guys know what I'm saying. So it has a very smooth structure, but it is a bit lighter on my shade. Maybe I can mix up the foundation and I can make it work, but I'm definitely going to try it on my skin for sure for you guys, and I'm gonna let you know how this foundation works for me. Apart from that, I have stopped doing all those try on because I think that makes the videos boring. Instead, I just wanted to open up and show you guys what I got in my IPSY bag. So I think that made more sense for IPSY unboxing. So yeah, I really like this one. And moving on, the next one is the nail paint once again. So as I told you guys, I'm not into nail paint, so this is going to be in a giveaway box as well for you guys. The shade is very nude and pinkish shade, and it's like monochromic or duochromic, something you call it, but it's not like a pale opaque color. It's like just a tiny bit of shimmer to it, so I love it for you guys. And the next one is something called Fluid. This one is in the shade Elsewhere. It's a clear liquid and it has a chocolate smell, so I'm wondering, this is a lip gloss. Yes, this is a lip gloss. Alrighty, which is not bad. At times you don't feel like putting on lipstick, just put the clear this thing on and you're good to go. So yes, that's good as well. And the last product I have is OUAI. I don't know how to pronounce this name, but it is a leave-in conditioner. And as I said, that if you are a traveler on the go, or if you love to travel, these things comes really handy. So when I was traveling in India, as I said, I was only traveling with all of these products, all my scrubs and cleansers and conditioners and shampoos and everything was from the collection of IPSY bags which I got. So these are, so yes, I would definitely recommend you guys that go ahead and subscribe for the IPSY subscription, because those are really helpful. And apart from that, you get a hands on different products, different brands. You don't even know these brands. Like, as I told you, I didn't even know about this brand, but yes, I will get my hands on. I will get to try all these products, and you don't have to buy the whole bunch of product. You can just have these sample size product to use, and if you like, you can place an order, or you can buy the whole bunch of it. So yeah, I really like the idea of IPSY unboxing. If you guys want to show your love to IPSY, then I am going to leave here the link of the subscription where you can subscribe. You can put in your information and subscribe to this IPSY bag. I'm going to put all the information down in the description box. Check that out. And apart from that, I also want to tell you that so many people are waiting for an update on the skin, and I want to tell you guys, yes, definitely I'm coming up with an update on my skin after microneedling and after all those kind of skin improvement treatment I've taken so far. So yes, I'm coming with an updated video for sure for you guys. Please give me some time. I'm trying my as of to get my life back to track, but yes, I will be coming with lots and lots of video for you guys, and definitely a giveaway video for you guys as well. Yeah, and that's all about it. I think that's it. I'm really impressed. Yeah, you can say that. I like it because I'm really excited for this particular foundation. And thank you so much for watching this channel and for showering your love. If you have a moment, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till we meet next, it's me, Sappy, signing out. Bye and ciao.